And if you see, these are the plug valves. Rotational motion valve used full flow service where quick shutoff is required. Okay, as we have discussed in the ball valve, if the plug 90° is rotated from open position, the solid part of the plug blocks the port and stop flow. This is similar to ball valve operation. Okay, as we have discussed in the ball valve section, operation is nearly similar. Here instead of valve ball, we are having plug. Okay, so mostly the purpose and operation is similar. Used for air, vapor service, natural gas piping system, and vacuum to high pressure applications. So this is somewhere we are going to use these kind of valves. Again, as we have discussed in ball valve, this is also quick to open or close and can be serviced in place. It is very easy and we can service it at place. These kind of things we can unbolt and we can do the service if required at its own place. We don't have to remove it and to bring it at somewhere else. We can do it at in place. Provide reliable leak tight service. Okay, again this is very tight and very less leakage is expected. Required greater force to actuate due to high friction. Okay, plug is moving, so there is kind of high friction available with sleeved construction, metal to metal. Okay, this kind of construction is available in plug type valves. The lubrication of the sitting surface is by means of lubricant which is fed into the operating surfaces. Okay, this is kind of we can do the lubrication. Okay, so this is just a representation. Flow is coming in when it is this side, handle is 90° to the flow, then it is closed. When it is throttling is happening, when it is partially opened, when the handle is in the flow direction, then it is open. Again we try to avoid this situation because it again we have as we have discussed in case of gate valve, partial open, if we keep it in partial opening for a longer period, then it the flow will increase and it can damage the sitting of the valve. So we avoid it. Throttling, we don't use this kind of valve for throttling. In oil and gas fundas knowledge sharing platform, we have covered all these topics. Time duration against each topic is mentioned here. Now in 2 minute funda part 1 series, we are going to cover 30 topics. I'm sure you're watching the HD and non-HD format along with the subtitles. So keep on watching, keep sharing knowledge.